Okay, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about how to draw the cutting rod assembly. Okay, so see this. This is a previous question paper. Okay, in here previous question paper, the question is given like this. You just see this part B. Okay, and now here we see the maximum marks about this. Only one single question is coming here. Okay, so this question is have 40 marks. And now here we are going to see how to draw this one. So first, see all parts first, okay. This is the part, main part, okay. This is main part. And then now here one, this is second, third, fourth one. This one is called fifth one, okay. So these all are the parts is given. This one is screw. So the main object is here. This is the main object. You find this main object and draw this one very clearly. Now here we see the axis is horizontal axis and vertical axis. Two axes is there mainly. So I'm going to draw first these two axes. So I'm going to draw. This is sheet. Okay. So I planned here. I'm going to start here. Fix this sheet. So this is axis line. And then now I'm going to draw one vertical axis. Okay. So one horizontal line and one vertical line, axis line I drawn here. And then now I am going to see how to draw this picture. And first I'm going to draw vertical lines. Okay. Yeah. See the picture very clearly. Here to here, the dimension is given 160 mm. The dimension is given, yes, see very clear, 160. So the end of the picture is coming from here 160. So ఈ పాయింట్ నుంచి 160 measure చేసి, okay, I just put one horizontal line with H pencil. Like projection line తీసుకున్నాను H pencil తోటి. Okay, so this is complete diagram. And then now here we see the another axis is there. The gap is given here 3 mm. This axis to this axis is given 3 mm. So then I'm going to draw here 3 mm. This point to this point here is I drawn 3 mm. Okay. After completing this, okay, I'm going to draw circles. Because of here we see very clearly. Okay. So very clear we see here. This is radius. This is called 38 and this one is called 58. So one is radius 38, another one is radius 38. So first I am going to take this 38 radius and draw the line, circle. Here I am going to draw one circle with with imaginary line, okay, like this. And then now here also I'm going to draw one imaginary line like this. You take compass and draw very clearly, okay. I don't have compass, that's why it's not come neat. Yes, exactly. Now I can draw like this. You see this one. So the U shape is completed right now. And then now we are going to see the internal line is, I'm going to draw like this. See. And similar way here also. Only H pencil. Don't take HB. Okay. First H pencil like this. And then now see the second part here to here. So then this one is already represented. So this one also you can draw like this. And come to here. Here also you are going to draw like this. Okay. And now we see very clearly, here is fillet 6 radius. See, 6 radius fillets is there. Okay. And now, again here we see very clearly how much this 2 mm. Okay, this one is called 2. Okay, 2. You can take 2 mm. Now I am going to draw 2 mm below. So we can erase a above line. Okay, this is called 2 mm. You can take the entire distance like this. Okay, this is projection line. And then now here we see radius 6 mm. And then similar way, I'm going to draw here also 6 mm. And above also 2 mm, you can take below. It's coming like this, okay. And then now see, first dimension here to here is 36 is given. So I'm put it dotted lines. 36 to 63, okay. And 63, I'm going to draw like this. Here 63 and 6 mm. See, this is like this line. 36, 63, 6. And then draw the lines. Okay. And similar way above also here to here is 36. Then take drafter, fix here and draw the line, vertical line, HB pencil. And take fix here, drafter and draw the line. And here, fix here, draw the line like this. And take HB pencil, okay. Scale ikkada pettesi, put your scale in here and draw like this. This is also H line. You can erase that thing. After completion, you can erase. This is the entire part. Now, so see like this. The bottom line, you can highlight it. This here highlighted, this one, not that line. Okay, this one is highlighted. You see very clear on that picture and highlight all those things. And now here we see 2 into 45 degrees, some of the hole is there. So this is 1 mm, this is 1 mm. A fixed screw like here. Okay, see this part. The diameter is having 4. That means this is 2 mm, this is 2 mm. Okay, and now I am going to hatch this part. Oh, power is very dull, I think. Okay, all right. Then draw this one like this. Okay, we're going hatching like this. See, this one is as is like this. ఓకే సో ఈ విధంగా మనం పార్ట్ని డ్రా చేసుకోవాలి. తర్వాత అసెంబ్లింగ్, ఇప్పుడు అసెంబ్లింగ్ ఎలా చేయాలనేది చూద్దాం. సో నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ దిస్ వన్. The part is here, this part, okay. And see this one, okay. This part I'm going to insert in here. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. So the first of all, 1 minute. Okay, no flashlight. సో దీంట్లో ఫ్లాష్ లైట్ ఉండదేమో. Okay, you see this part. Here we see very clearly. This is the distance is given. I zoom it. See, 76. So this one is coming from here, 76. Then see, this one is also having 76. The gap, in between gap is having 76. Okay. That means the body is, the second part is going to insert in this, in here. Okay, the dimensions both are in same. The dimensions both are in same, 76 and 76. Then I'm going to draw this part is starting from here, 48 plus 15 is called 63. So this gap is given already, that is called also 63. Here to here is 63, you see very clearly. 63. So first of all, I'm going to match this one. Okay, this part first, and now here this is 63 line. So I'm going to draw like this. You take direct HB pencil and draw this one. And now here is 24 is given. You can draw the 24 line. This is 24 line. I'm going to hatch this part. Okay, I'm hatch this part right now. And now see, very clear. Okay. The length is given 126. That means here to 126, it will going like this. So approximately it will come 126, I think. So this is the end shape of this. The shaft is 50. Then this one is taken from 25. And this one also taken from 25. Like see here very clear. 50 shaft and 125 total length. Here too, here is 126. Yeah, 126 length. Okay. And now here we see 48. So here to here is 48. I am going to cut one axis. Okay, one axis I am going to cut and draw here circle. Draw circle lo 8 mm radius toti ikkada draw cheyandi ala circle, small circle okati teeskondi. And then now here we see very clearly the hatching part. The shaft is endless. Okay, you don't bother about that. బట్ మీరు చాలా నీట్గా డ్రా చేయండి. ఇది హ్యాచింగ్ చేసేది చాలా నీట్గా హ్యాచ్ చేసుకోండి. 45 degrees యాంగిల్ రొటేట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఇక ఈ లెంత్ అంటారా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఉండే లెంత్ మీ ఇష్టం ఎంతైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. దిస్ ఈజ్ సింబల్ ఆఫ్ కటింగ్. ఓకే, మీరు ఈ లెంత్ ఎంత కావాలంటే అంత తీసుకోవచ్చు. మీ షీట్ ఉన్నంత వరకైనా. ఓకే, టేక్ యువర్ కన్వీనియంట్ లెంత్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అసెంబుల్డ్ పార్ట్ we completed. Okay, and you see very clearly one, and this part is second one. Okay, now here we see very clearly the part is given in this here. This is also having 76. Okay, this thing here to here is 76, and coming this point, this is 3 mm already we have, and this axis also we have. So the radius 38, already we drawn 38 radius. Okay, and now I am going to draw here 56 is there, diameter 56. Diameter 56 means what happened here, this point, that we will going to take 25, 25, 50, so 28, 28. So take 28. Okay, take 28 radius and draw one circle. 28 radius and draw one circle like this. So here is the part is completed like this. You can draw like this is 28 radius from here. Okay, this is 28. Then next radius is given, that is called here 38 is completed, and then 46 radius is there. So that is the another one radius. Okay, 76 is internal, so it is over. This is okay. You don't worry. And coming to here, one radius is coming there. That one is called 46 radius. So I'm going to take 46 radius and draw the one circle. Here like this. Okay. And now this one also coming here. See, you just erase this hatching. ఈ hatching work erase చేసేసుకోండి. And now the complete dimension here, from this axis, see here, point 2, you can take 40 mm. It will come here, approximately it will come here. So then I draw one vertical line with a H pencil. So I'm going to draw this part. You see this part. Okay, this part I am going to draw. See, radius 46. I draw the 46 line, and now I am going to draw this line. Okay, I drawn this line also, 40 line. This is imaginary line I taken. Here to here is 8 mm. It will generate automatically that 8 mm. Okay, now come here. So this is distance is coming from 8 mm. Automatically it will come. You don't worry about that. And now you see I project this like this, and here also you see this is the part I assembled. Okay, so the part was assembled. This is the fifth part, and now the screw is here. See this one. What is here? M8. ఎక్కడైతే మీరు 8 mm డిస్టెన్స్ తోటి ఇచ్చేసారో అక్కడ మీరు ఈ స్క్రూని ఫిక్స్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, where we will take 8 mm. See, M8 here. Here I am going to take 8 mm. So now here is having 8 radius. Draw one circle like this, okay, and take here 8, same 8. You cut the arcs and draw the hexagon in here. In engineering drawing, we learned 8 mm. You can draw this circle, and the same 8 mm you are going to cut this arcs and join the lines. Here I fixed the nut. Okay, and now we see here very clear gib is there. It is here called gib. It is having 16. Okay, this one is coming from this view, top view. సో ఇప్పుడు ఉంది కదా, ఈ పార్ట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, వెయిట్ క్లారిటీ రాలేదు. యా, సో we need this dimensions. Yeah, it will take 30. Here to here is 30, and this one also here to here is 30. This cutter sleeve. Already we learned cutter sleeve. Okay, so in this cutter sleeve, here having 120 mm height. This is the centralized axis. Okay, and 30 means here it will come 60 around. Okay, it will come 60, around 60 it will come. And now the placing of this part, we see the height of this thing is 60. We are going to take this height. Okay, and now here is having some slot is there. What is this slot? Is given here 6. Okay, this is the slot is given 6, and the height is 28. And where is in slot part is there? Here is nothing. ఓకే, ఈ పార్ట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఇప్పుడు ఈ పార్ట్ లోపలికి మనం ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఈ పార్ట్ అనేది ఈ పార్ట్ లోపలికి వెళ్తుంది. హౌ టు ఫైండ్ మీన్స్ యూ కెన్ సీ హియర్ ద మ్యాచింగ్ 16 హియర్ 16 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 16 ఉందంటే మనకి ఈ పార్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి ఇక్కడ ఇన్సర్ట్ అవుతుంది టాప్ వ్యూలో మనకి తెలుస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూలోకి వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ పార్ట్ అనేది ఆ గ్యాప్ లో మనం ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో మనం ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ దిస్ పార్ట్, axis is here. Okay, and this axis above 80 mm line, and here is 60 mm line. So at the same time, the part here to here distance is called 15. Okay, and to nut, fixed nut also. So nut distance how much? That is also matching or not, we want to see. See, very good, fine. You see, very fine. Ikkada also 15 undi. Yeah. So చూడండి బాగా ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి ఇక్కడ చూసినట్లయితే మనకి 15 ఉంది. So 1 5. So that is the matching point in here. So the first radius I am going to take 80 mm. So from axis to I am going to take 8 mm. And then only here also I am going to draw 40 below some of the taper shape. Okay, and now so see here to here center distance is 30. and draw one line. Here also draw one line. Okay, and the both lines are very similar. Okay, and now here 1 mm you can decrease, that means here 29, 31, you can take 31. So sum of the is very clear. Taper 1 mm is nothing wrong, so it will come like this, and 3 mm is below. Take sum of the arc like this, above also 3 mm. Okay, so it will completed, and then now here we are going to see 60 mm. Here to here 60, it will come automatically. Okay, why? Because it's a radius 58 radius I taken, so 2 mm gap is there. Then only I am going to draw here. This is the gap already there. This is 20. ikkadi nunchi ikkadiki 20, the height, and height also 20. Okay, the height also it will come 20, and then draw the line like this. The similar way in bottom also having, okay, 2 mm outside and 20, and then draw this point. Here having fillet, here also having fillet. Now HB pencil, take HB pencil and dark. See, this is the part 20, 20. This is fillet, and here also 20. Okay, this length also 20, so fillet. It's over completely. Okay, so this is the part we are going to done the assembled all lines. Why? Because this is the sectional view. You can draw the dark lines, no problem. This is screw fastened. Okay. You can draw like this. Okay. Okay, right. So this is the connecting rod. Okay, this is one type of connecting rod. Okay, and another type of connecting rod also there. That is regular engine, right? And this one is one type of connecting rod. You can assemble like this. ఈ విధంగా మీరు అసెంబుల్ చేశారంటే మీరు 40 మార్క్స్ సంపాదించుకోవచ్చు. అలాగే డైమెన్షన్స్ కావాలంటే డైమెన్షన్స్ కూడా ఇవ్వండి. పార్ట్స్ లిస్ట్, మెయిన్గా ఈ పార్ట్స్ లిస్ట్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో డయాగ్రామ్లో అవి పార్ట్స్ లిస్ట్ కూడా మీరు కంపల్సరిగా మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, రైట్? సో డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్, this is shaft, I don't have length, that's why I am draw like this. So this is continuous shaft. Okay, I can draw like here, this is closing. That's it. Why? Because I need this height only. You have length means you can take any length. There's no problem. Okay, so ఈ విధంగా మనం అసెంబుల్ చేసి చూపిస్తాం అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? రైట్. ఇప్పుడు డౌట్స్ టైం. Okay, you have any doubts, you can ask. I am going to unmute yourselves. Meeting settings. Okay, now you are unmute. You can ask any doubts. Do you have any doubts? You can ask. About this assembly of connecting rod. మహేష్
సార్
అటెండెన్స్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసావా?
తీసాను సార్.
ఓకే, డౌట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయో అడుగు.
లేదు సార్, అందరూ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి పెట్టాను. హలో,
ఈరోజు కాలేజీలో ఉన్నానులే, కాలేజీలో మనకి పవర్ లేనట్టుంది. ఓకే సరే, మరి ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎండ్ చేసేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే రైట్, ఎండ్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్, ఫస్ట్ రికార్డింగ్ ఆఫ్